One cold January day, winter camping with friends. The entry road was steep, had to haul gear uphill. The slope was killer and totally frozen over. Then the snow started, taking it slow and steady. My legs refused to move. How much further? Looked so far. Thought I made progress, but I was barely halfway. Just had to push through. Kept my eyes on the top. Fighting a mental battle. My friends struggled too. We were both suffering. Summoning all my strength, one step at a time. She came down to help. Hiking in these clothes, LO. Finally made it up. Time to feed Cobit. Wait, hold on. He needs his probiotics. Told him to wait for it. He looks so betrayed. Better hurry up. Dusting snow off him. Filling the heater. Pumping to the beat. Laying out the mats. He always steals the mat. I just let him be. He hates cuddles though. Setting up the airbed. Setup complete. Taking a quick breather. The music was a vibe. Felt like a magical place. And one weird thing, Cobit left no footprints. Like a ghost dog. Walk is over. Back to the warmth. Watch your tail. Getting warm now. Finally time to relax. Suddenly he demands food. It is not time yet, buddy. Bought a new fan. Testing it out today. She is hanging it up. The heat rises up. Hot air trapped up there. She keeps vanishing. Starving after the setup. Making a quick dinner. Rice goes on first. Boiling the stew next. Grilling the meat last. She's doing the cooking. I prep the sides. Rice is ready. She is the rice master, making a huge mess. Looks like a feast. Let's eat. The stew is amazing. Brisket is so tender. I usually pack light, hard to cook big meals. Nice to have a variety. Brisket was not enough. Round 2 is pork belly. Nothing beats pork belly. The fat makes it tasty. Pork versus brisket. Pork wins easily. Usually I eat in silence. Nice to chat and eat. Lost track of time. Now it is Cobit's turn. Added some meat. Time for zoomies. The chase is on. Look at him hop. Playing doggy soccer. Back to the tent. He is out cold. Ben is on guard duty. Soda hits different now. Getting hungry again. Making sweet pancakes. Just heating them up. Tastes like street food. Can't resist this. Full and tired now. Time for bed. Next morning, waking up slowly. Breakfast time. She is cooking again. Grab missing items. Heating the rice. Running back, freezing. Breakfast is served. Trying the pork first. So good. She is a great cook. Spicy beef soup. Everything is delicious. Cobit gets breakfast too, with extra meat and his supplements. Special camping treat. Doggy curry served. He finished it all. Time to pack up. Calling Cobit over. Ben showed up instead. Here they come. The sky's beautiful. Taking in the view. Back to packing. Cleared out the tent. He wants food again. Feed me. Number, I said feed me? Nope. Right, now. Getting louder. He thinks he's the boss. Saved by Ben. Loading the cart. Stacking it high. That was a great trip. See you next time.